Oh, look at that. Good morning, Codger Biker here. This is just a quick one. No riding at the moment. We got snow. So, recently acquired a new, for me, Cardo Spirit. It's a cheap replacement for my old cheap headset, Bluetooth headset. What I've discovered with this is you can use this as a Bluetooth microphone with my Insta360 X2 camera, so don't need any wires, and it works. It's not the most convenient thing in the world, but it does work, and I'm kind of thinking of using it as a backup audio source. So if you're interested in connecting Bluetooth from your headset to your X2 360 Insta camera, then keep watching and I'll show you what I did. I'm not saying it's the best, but it seems to work. So the way this then works is that you can, it's got two channels, so you leave the one channel for intercom, so I can talk to Dr. J or whoever, and the other channel, second one, I connect via channel 2 via its GPS setting, not phone. I haven't tried it on the phone, but via the GPS setting, and that will then hopefully connect to the camera. So watch, hold that in. Phone pairing. You see it flashing. Press it again. GPS pairing. GPS pairing. I don't know if you can hear that. So while that's doing that, it will then take my Insta360 camera and turn it on. Now unfortunately, doesn't seem to be a way to have this do it automatically. It seems to be that you have to do it every time you turn it on. But once the headset's on and set, if you have to change batteries in the camera, it's quick to re-establish. But anyway, let's see what I mean. So I go to the earpods, and that will start scanning for a Bluetooth source. The first time it takes a little while. After that, if you don't turn the headset off, and you'll see the Spirit. So I click on that, and you can see that that's now pairing. I'll do this in real time so you can see how long it takes the first time. There's my earpods activated. So now, if I record, the audio will come from that crash helmet. So, would you like to see that?
Hello, hopefully you're hearing me now from my crash helmet. So that's my crash helmet through Bluetooth, and to prove it's the crash helmet and I'm not wired into anything, I'll leave the room. And I'm talking now from another room. Looking into the room, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is my headset connected to my Insta360. So there's the Insta360 record. So there's the Insta360 recording. There's the headset connected to it, and presumably I can still use my other channel for intercom to intercom on the bike. So that battery lasts about an hour and a half. Now, what do you do when the battery goes flat? You have to change it. Well, luckily the headset battery runs all day, so I don't have to change that one again. So to simulate changing the battery, I'll turn it off. Okay, so now the audio's gone from that. I'll turn it on. In my headset it said GPS disconnected, so I'll turn it back on. Come down, go to the earbuds, and it should connect much quicker than the first time, he says. So you can imagine you're at the side of the road, you've changed your battery, there you are, it's connected again, My crash damage just said GPS connected because it thinks it's a GPS, and away we go again. Press record, and that is the new battery and back on the road. So, as I say, once the headset is connected, if you don't touch it, the second time it's much quicker. So it's not ideal. It'd be ideal to just press quick record and have it all come on, but that doesn't work. But as a secondary source of audio, a lot of people complain the audio drops out on their GoPros. I say I don't really have that problem, but it has happened once or twice that I haven't plugged the microphone in. So this way I'll have secondary audio on the 360 camera. Well, maybe. We'll see how it goes. Okay, quick one. Codger Biker is out. Oh, by the way, there's another reason why I've not been doing much video at the moment. I've got a real problem with my shoulders and my arms, but I won't bore you with that. Catch you later.